Yo, this is just a tutorial video for my site, GainFast.net. You can add followers, likes, views, and other stuff like that. I'm just gonna show you how to use it. So, first, you wanna go to add funds. It's gonna be more payments in the future, but my Coinbase account is not working, so I have to do it manually. So everything is open to ticket right now. So you go to tickets and say if you want to add to like Cash App, like you put the subject Cash App, then you put how much you gonna add. Like I guess like 10. Mostly we're gonna be adding like 10, 20. And I'm gonna send you my Cash App in the message, and I'm gonna add your funds. Or if you go back to add funds, you can contact me on Instagram, Discord, or Telegram if you want a faster response. But after you have your funds in your account, you'll want to go in your. I have everything, so Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, Twitch. More services is going to be added soon. Discord Boost will be also added soon. But most people are here for Instagram followers. Let's be honest. Most people don't use Instagram followers. If you reselling, I recommend this one right here. If you go to best sellers and you go to Instagram followers, 365-day refill, 74 cents per 1K. If you're using this one, I would recommend selling like $2 for 1K, or like if you're selling for like 10K followers, you can sell for like $20. You making $2 profit. But I'm gonna use my account so I can show you example. So when you get the account like this, go right here, and you're gonna put the link right here, and that's it. And you put how many followers you want to add to the account, like 1,000. Then you press submit. Then after it submits, your order is gonna be right here, and it's gonna tell you if it's pending and stuff like that. This service is kind of fast, so it starts instantly. So it should start instantly, and it's gonna start going up like this right here. You can keep refreshing there. You just wait on it. But it's basically how to use it right there. And the site is gonna be a description and in the comment section. So I'm also gonna speed this up because this actually takes a while, like up to an hour, probably 1,000 followers up to like an hour. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause it and come back when it's done. Yo, so I'm back, and it's been like 30 minutes probably. But go to orders, and you will see your order right here, and right here, see it's 1,000 followers right here. But that's basically how to use it, and it's like other social medias. But yeah, other social medias does the same. So, but that's basically just how to use it. Alright, bro. Alright, hold on, let me turn this fan off. Hold up. But yo, so that's basically it. That's how you use it, and you can use it on your phone. You can use it on your phone too. And if you need help, just hit me up. But I'm gonna go ahead and end it right here.